Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to create and query a NoSQL table in AWS. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, and to begin this, I will type DynamoDB in my search box. We have not discussed about DynamoDB, but that is a kind of DB. I will try to make a session on that as well. But for this lecture, we will stick on the DynamoDB. And we will open the DynamoDB console. We'll create a NoSQL table. So in the DynamoDB console, we'll create a table by clicking here, create a table. Table name, I will give music primary key. And the partition key is used to spread data across partitions for scalability. It is important to choose an attribute with a wide range of values, and that is likely to have evenly distributed access patterns. We'll type artist in the partition key. Here it is. We'll stick with string. Now, because each artist might write many songs, we can enable easy sorting with a sort key. We'll select the add sort key here, and after that, we'll mention song title in the string. After that, we will enable DynamoDB auto scaling for the table default. So what it does at DynamoDB auto scaling will change the read and write capacity of the table based on request volume using an AWS identity and access management, that is IAM rule called DynamoDB autoscale rule. DynamoDB will manage the autoscaling process on our behalf. DynamoDB creates this role. First time we'll enable the autoscaling. We'll clear this box and we'll use the auto scaling part. So we'll pass the secondary indexes, provision capacity, auto scaling. Here it is. It says I authorize DynamoDB to scale capacity using the following role, which is DynamoDB auto scaling service. Now we'll choose to create it. Here it is. It is creating it. Now when this music table will be ready to use, it appears in the table list with a checkbox. Here it is. In the table list, we have a music table. Congratulations, you have successfully created the NoSQL table in Azure RDS using DynamoDB. Now we'll add data to the NoSQL table. Now if you see the items here, see the items tab, we'll click on create item, artist, type in no one you know, and in the song title string, type in call me today, click on save. Here it is. And you can repeat the process to add a few more items for the music table. Now if you want to query it, the overview, you click on here, you click on query. You can mention anything. No one you know. In the artist, why is it not coming up? So if you will click on scan, you will click on items. Let me do it again. Paul, anything. Click on save. I can see the artist Paul. If you will query and type in Paul here, you get this result. And if you will create an item, Sam, type in any name, and you see Paul here. And if you would say Sam, you will see maybe not coming, but I have an items here. So now if you want to delete an existing item, just click here, delete, click on delete. That is how you delete an item. And you want to delete a NoSQL table. This is here, click on delete table. If you will have multi entries, choose the specific table and then delete it. Congratulations, we created the DynamoDB table, added few items to the table, and then queried the table to find the items we wanted. And now we have deleted the table just to make sure that we are not getting extra charged on this. I hope you enjoyed this session. Please also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any feedback, please mention them in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.